Okay, so I will be demonstrating what machine problem 2 will be looking like for the first try. I'm going to demonstrate what my code and what all my files look like. So first, if we go to Bean, this is my XML file, and I have all my properties and everything. So I have my class, this is my character 1, and I have my name I set to value of the first character as Luke Skywalker. That's the character 1 name. And I have the fighting power as lightsaber. And then for character 2, I have the name is Darth Vader, and then the fighting power is the Force. So those are the two fighting powers for each of the characters. So now if we go to my battle, you can see. So now we have, this is where we're getting the character 1 and character 2. And I have my annotations for this. And the getters and setters for the character 1, character 2, and then I have my turning the battleground. And what this is doing, this is the fight output. So, oh no, this is just fight. And I have character 1 and character 2 are fighting. And that's what this is outputting. This is what this is going to be printing, saying that both those characters are fighting. Now battleground, this is just my interface for the battleground, and it's getting the get battleground description. Now I have my character class, and it's the setters and getters for the name, health, and then the strength, as well as the fighting power. So yeah, it's just the setters and getters for all those. And then now, the implementation of the battleground, and this turning on Death Star. So that's the battleground. Now my interface for fighting power and the get fighting power description. Yep. And now this is the fighting power for the first character. As you can see, this is for one of the characters. It says using the Force to strike opponent. And now we go to the other fighting power, which is the lightsaber, and we say that uses lightsaber to strike opponent. And I have two IOC apps, which is these should output the same thing, but one is different. This one uses the file system XML application context, but they will output the same thing. But now we go to this one. This says class path. So now we can check that they both output the same thing. So it's run IOC app 1. As you can see down here, it says IOC app 1, and it has all the information that I have. And now for this one, IOC app 2, if we run it, it says IOC app 2 right here, so we know that this is the one that's running, and it outputs the same information. So yeah.